Namaste everyone. Myself Dr. Rashmi Manjunath. I am an Ayurveda Wellness Consultant. Today we are talking about snoring and how we can reduce the snoring during the sleep with the breathing exercise. Before going to a breathing exercise, I like to explain why the snoring happens, also what exactly the snoring is. The most probable causes of snoring are like obstructive sleep apnea. It is one of the sleep disorder. I will explain later again in detail. And the second is due to the alcohol consumption just before going to a bed. And also if you are not sleeping well, the sleep deprivation since long days, then also snoring happens. And also if you have any obstruction in the nose, then also snoring starts. And the fifth most probable reason is obesity. What exactly the snoring is it's a relaxation of a throat muscles and the air flowing through the relaxed throat muscles. Then the sound starts. As you all know, oropharynx closes and nasopharynx opens when we inhale and exhale. When the throat muscles relaxes, there will be an obstruction. The passage will become narrow. As the throat muscles comes down, the passage becomes narrow. Therefore, the air flow against when the airflow goes through that narrow passage, then the snoring starts up. It will be more in obstructive sleep apnea where the throat muscles are very much loose and they are relaxing without any aggravating factor. The infrequent intervals in the night during the sleep. At that time, the snoring starts up and they suddenly wake up also with the gasping because of the lack of air inside the body. So in nutshell, to understand, there should not be a relaxation of a throat muscles that will causes a snoring. So how we can strengthen these throat and the oral muscles? So with the breathing exercise. Along with the breathing exercise, we also should concentrate on the weight loss because the fat accumulation just back of your throat also loosens or weakens your throat muscles. So it is important to lose weight. It is important to get a consultation for your obstruction in the nose. Then only if you practice these breathing exercise will be helpful. Okay, just breathing exercise and you don't take up other steps, then it may not be helpful to that extent. So and also these exercises are highly useful for a obstructive sleep apnea. Okay, let us start the first exercise. First exercise is a tongue out. That means we are touching our tongue to the chin and looking up. And relax. So what I did is I was pulling up my vulva so that the throat muscle will get strengthened. Second exercise is tongue slip. I take my tip of the tongue to the palate and drag it inside. Slip your tongue towards the soft palate for 10 repetitions. Okay, that's the second exercise. Third exercise is I am putting my finger in the corner of my lips and I am dragging my lips towards the opposite side. Hold it for 4-5 seconds, then release. Repeat it for on either side. Next is jaw relaxation. Like relax your jaw and take it back. Relax your lower jaw and just take it inside. I'm showing it again. You can feel those strengthening on your soft palate and your throat muscles. While constantly you need to observe them mentally, you should do it mindfully, then only the strengthening will be happening faster. Next is with the spoon. Okay, so I'm holding the spoon with the lips. Okay, but I'm trying to keep this spoon parallel to the ground. Okay, and inside tongue should be relaxed. Then you can feel the strengthening of your throat muscles. So these are 5 exercises, and also one more exercise is your Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. So this simple pranayama you might be already knowing. So take this mudra like these 2 fingers bent and other 3 fingers. Close the right nostril, exhale with the left completely. Inhale with the left. Close the nostril and exhale with the other. Again inhale, close and exhale. To do this Nadi Shodhan Pranayama for 5 minutes, it helps to release the obstruction in your nose and also gives it energy, the mental energy. Okay, so hope this video is useful. Only one session will not be useful. I want you to repeat these exercises at least minimum of 15 days. Then you can see the symptom effectiveness. Thank you. Follow and share and subscribe for our channel.